Are y'all seeing this blend though?
No flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go.
This V-part wig is giving me sew-in vibes. Do y'all remember when I used to go live on Blog TV and I would do my sew-ins and it would always be a straight texture and I would blend my natural hair with it? This is giving me throwback and I'm absolutely loving it. This is a Yaki straight V-part wig from Julia Hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. When I was on TikTok live, someone thought this was my real hair. I was like, girl, this is a V-part wig. That blend though, I'm loving the way that this hair just blends in seamlessly with my natural hair, and I'm loving the texture of this hair. I feel like this hair would hold a curl really great as well. If you have been tired of wearing lace wigs, you'll definitely want to get into this V-part wig install. I'm absolutely loving the way that this V-part wig install turned out. This is my first time doing a Yaki straight V-part wig install. Y'all have seen me do so many kinky and curly textures, but this straight texture is definitely a freaking vibe. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Julia Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys. It is Cyber Monday, so you'll definitely want to check out the sales that they have going on right now so you can save some coin. If you like my makeup in this video, you'll definitely want to check out my latest Get Ready With Me video. I'm going to leave the link right here. Go ahead and check that out next.